That looks good. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Ah! Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today I have a very delicious lunch sandwich coming your way. So if you guys are ready to see how that goes, then let's get cooking. I take recipes and I cook them. These are not my recipes, but if you want to know the recipes, they are linked down below in the description. I also go on vlogs when restaurants are open. They're opening up soon, so I think I might start doing my vlogs again. And what else do I do? I also do some weird challenges like the blind taste test and blindfold cooking. There's also a series where I write down my favorite recipes in my recipe bullet journal. Please go check those out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a like down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Please also check out my Instagram. I do behind the scenes like today. You'll see a sneak peek of this delicious sandwich and what I'm doing throughout my days and my weeks, and you guys can see that all on Instagram. Okay, this is such an easy sandwich to make, and it looks so delicious. I'm really excited to show you guys how to cook this. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to cook our bacon, and once I'm done with that, honestly, it's just time to assemble the sandwich. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna take my bacon and put it on the skillet. So let's do that. I need 4 slices. This is actually kind of a small skillet for that. Ah! Now we just wait for that to cook. Crispy. Okay. I don't have paper towels too. I got napkins. Those are burnt. I'm gonna make some more. Hold on. Maybe I should stay here and watch them instead of walking away. That is crispy. Honestly, I don't eat bacon very often. I don't know how long it needs to be cooked. Ow! It popped on me. Alright, let's go back. Okay, we are ready to assemble. Oh my gosh. So, I need to butter one side of my bread. Let's get to buttering. Butter, butter, butter. Ugh. I'm using Earth Balance vegan butter. Oh, this is sourdough bread. You're using sourdough bread, and you're spreading your butter on it. It does not have to be vegan, obviously, since we have bacon. And the buttered side is actually the outside of this grilled cheese sandwich. I think that's normal with any grilled cheese sandwich, that the buttered side is the outside. Okay, so I have pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna put that on my sandwich. Ooh, this bread is so big, I might need 2.5. Yeah, I'm just gonna do 2.5. Ooh, I'm so hungry. I can't wait for these sandwiches. Okay. Oh, and then I have some cheddar. This is Mexican style 4 cheese. It asks for cheddar cheese. This is what I had. I'd rather just use this up than buy more cheese. Putting that cheese on. Okay, and since it's a grilled cheese, you gotta put a lot of cheese on. a lot. And then it wants me to spread on the guacamole. So, funny story, I bought 2 of these because I knew we wanted chips and salsa the other day, or chips and guac the other day, and then I was like, oh, I need it for my sandwiches that I'm gonna make. Well, for some reason, my husband didn't get the message, and he ate like all of it. So there's really like a tiny little bit left. Not cool, man. Only one sandwich gets guac. But ideally, if you didn't have a husband that ate all your guac, it'd be both sandwiches. Next, we add the bacon, which I still have one extra toasty one. And I've got some really nice ones right here. Oh, I kind of wish I had more. And then we take the remainder of these tortilla chips, crush them up, kind of just sprinkle those on top. These are some blue corn tortilla chips. They looked fancy, and I wanted to be fancy, so I got me some blue corn tortilla chips, because I'm fancy. This one looks so sad with no guacamole. And then don't worry about the tortilla chips that fall on the ground. That's what your little animals are for, so don't worry. Okay, we're gonna add more cheese, because it's a grilled cheese. Oh my gosh, cheese and tortilla chips all over the floor. And then my pepper jack. Ooh, I swear, I just had enough for this sandwich. Alright, then you put the top on. Put the top on. Oh, a lot of the butter came off. Put that butter back on. And now we're gonna put it on my pan, each side 2 to 3 minutes. This one's so sad looking. It needs guacamole. But where's the guacamole? In my husband's stomach. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. And this one. We'll be right back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, we are ready. Yes, honey. Yes. Ready, 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 ready for this. Ready, 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 ready for this. Okay, so that one's the sad one with no guacamole. This one, mine, is the one with guacamole. Did you hear that, Nathan? The one with guacamole is mine. What? And it looks amazing. The guacamole really adds that finishing touch. And I can't wait to eat it myself. All for me, none for my husband.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, right.
I don't know about that.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Bears beats Battlestar Galactica.
Sure does. Oh my gosh, this thing is so buttery. So buttery. Alright, that was such a quick, easy lunch meal to make. You can even make it for dinner. Honestly, you can probably make it for breakfast. Throw an egg on it and ooh, it could be delicious. So now I'm going to try it. And I have no doubts in my mind that it's going to be amazing. Woo! No doubts. It is very good. If you're a cheese lover, then obviously, sorry, it's just so hot in here. Summer's coming, all these lights are on, can't have my AC running because all the noise. I didn't put my microphone on the camera. Oh well, I'm sorry for the audio. It is what it is. Anyways, delicious, absolutely delicious. The only thing I would have loved is probably more guac and a little bit more bacon, but that's okay. The next time I make it though, I want to make sure I have plenty of guac. Plenty. If you guys like this video, remember to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get notifications every beautiful Wednesday morning by hitting that bell. Alright, thank you so much for joining me, Mayday on the kitchen. Mayday on the kitchen? No, I'm not on the kitchen, I'm in the kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me, Mayday in the kitchen, and I can't wait to see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!